Rebound by De Los Reyes. No good. Patriots ball.
Joke.
15 seconds to shoot. No good. Holding foul committed by number 20, Salvador. Substitution ref. Maranyo out, Labido in. Salvador first personal foul, first team foul.
Score natin 27. 13-point lead by Troopers.
Inbound by Bautista. Basket by Del Rosario.
29. 11-point lead.
30 seconds, injury timeout.
11 points ang hinahabol ng
Happy birthday!
Back to the ball game, time remaining 4 minutes and 4 seconds left.
Gitna!
15 seconds to shoot. No good, rebound by Bautista. Bautista pass to Tinglasan. Foul committed by number 13, Labido. Labido first personal foul, second team foul. Substitution ref. De Los Reyes out. Yanto out. Punela, Santiago in. Subrep, Salvador out, De Leon in. No good para foul. Committed by number 24, Villafranca. 4 lang daw pala. De Leon first personal foul. Third team foul. Charity shots given to number 11, Del Rosario. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good. Rebound by Bautista. Basket.
score 20-11. 9-point.
Official score 20-11. 9 points lead by Troopers. Labido pass to De Leon. 15 seconds to shoot. Intercept by De Jesus. To Tapalio, pass to Tinglasan. No good. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Seconds to shoot. No good. Same ball, 13 seconds to shoot. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 59 seconds left. Follow up. Basket count by Punelas plus a foul. Committed by number 5, Tapalia. Subrep. Tapalia out. Mamawag in. Tapalia second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Score natin 20-11. 11-point lead by Troopers.
Bonus shot given to number 6, Punelas. Bonus shot by Punelas. Basket. Official score 23-11 in favor of Troopers.